Thanks very much, Gerlach. So, no, I have been clear, and I'm not trying to be in any way evasive. The government's position is to legislate prohibiting goods from the occupied Palestinian territory. That is our position. We're happy to engage constructively as we go through this on what more broadly that means. I think I have answered your question directly. You've asked, is it goods or services? I've said goods.
But are you saying,
so just give me...
Are you saying precisely goods alone?
I'm saying at the moment our focus is on progressing legislation to prohibit goods. As we bring forward proposals, I'm happy to engage with you in relation to other issues. But the programme for government, it's kind of crystal clear. The programme for government, you mightn't like the answer, but it is very clear. Sorry, just give me one moment, and then give me one moment. And we'll have plenty of time here. The programme for government sets out the commitment to progress legislation prohibiting goods from the occupied Palestinian territory. That's the mandate I've received, and that's what I'm now progressing and mandate in terms of what comes in the programme for government. I actually, though, I take the point Deputy Kenny makes in good faith, and Deputy O'Leary makes in good faith, about not wanting to see a watered down bill. But let me make this point. I actually think the only bill that would be watered down would be one that we would pass knowing that it's not in compliance with law, and not in compliance with the Constitution, and not in compliance with EU law. I'm not in the business of passing things that I know are not lawful. In fact, that is an irresponsible act of government. It's an irresponsible act of legislators. Our position is that we'll actually pass in a bill that is strengthened in this fact that it can actually stand up to scrutiny at an EU level. That is important because we have to pass laws that are compliant. I'll be meeting the Palestinian Prime Minister, Foreign Minister in Munich this weekend, where I'll continue to discuss with them all of the efforts that Ireland and the Irish government and the Irish people are taking to support the people of Palestine, to support international law. And as I've made the point before, and I'd make it again, it seems the only place on earth where it seems that the recognition of the work of the Irish government in support of the people of Palestine isn't recognised is here in the Dáil.